This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 51 JDBC. JDBC is the Java Database Connectivity API that allows Java applications to connect to and communicate with databases, enabling remote communication between the application and a MySQL server. JDBC follows an object-oriented paradigm, with key classes like driver manager driver and connection defined in the Java School package to facilitate this database connectivity from Java programs. The JDBC architecture supports platform and network independence, mapping Java's object-oriented approach to relational databases like MySQL, Oracle, and SQL Server through the use of vendor-specific drivers. There are 4 types of JDBC drivers available: ODBC Bridge, native API partly implemented in Java, Net Protocol, and direct connection to remote databases. Using DBC involves 5 key steps: loading the driver, creating a connection, connecting to the data source, executing SQL statements, and processing the results obtained. To begin, the appropriate JDBC driver must be installed and the CLASSPAT configured correctly. A straightforward process that is demonstrated. The Java.SQL package provides essential classes like driver manager and result set, as well as interfaces like driver, connection, and statement for working with SQL databases in Java. Loading the JDBC driver is done programmatically, with different procedures for various database systems like Oracle and MySQL, using the Type 4 driver. Once the driver is loaded, a connection object is created using the driver manager class and its getConnection method, establishing a link to the desired database server using the URL, username, and password. SQL statements can then be executed through the statement, prepared statement, and callable statement classes, with prepared statement allowing for efficient execution of precompiled SQL statements. The result set class is used to retrieve and process the rows returned by SQL statement execution, with methods to iterate through rows and convert between SQL and Java data types. Finally, proper exception handling is crucial in JDBC applications, with the schoolException class and related methods used to handle and process errors that may arise during database operations. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.